Hey guys, here's how to create your specialized profiles on Upwork. So the first step is to sign into Upwork, and then once you're signed in, just come right here where it says find work, then click on profile. Once you click on profile, you'll be giving your Upwork profile, and you just have to search for where it says um add a specialized profile. Okay, let's give this time to come on. Okay, so once you have your profile right here, you just click on profile settings right here by the top right corner. Once you click on profile settings, you can see your profile, experience level, um, categories, and then right here you have your specialized profile. So click on add specialized profile. You have to choose a profile, a new category for your profile. Okay, so you can either choose the suggested one right here or click on see all and then you select a specialty. Okay, so from the drop down menu, since this profile is a profile where I offer writing services, I can choose say creative writing, okay, or other content writing. Okay, I can choose any specialty that I want, and then I'll just click on continue. Once I click on continue, I have to fill in. Okay, I have to fill in my skills and other things that are relevant to the specialized profile that I chose. Okay, so right here, content writing services, you can click on the content writing, copywriting, and then content marketing strategy. Then the deliverables could be landing page content, a biography. You just have to choose the specific things that are in line with the new profile that you're creating. But if you can't find anything here, just click on see more, and then you can choose, click on see more right here, and then you can choose more options. Then content writing topics, which topics do you want to write about, and then the type of content right here, content writing type, it could be copywriting, article writing. Okay, so the topic here could be uh, finance, yeah, financial writing. Since I'm writing about crypto, I'll just choose financial writing. Okay. So other skills, you can also add other skills. Then you just click on save and continue. And so, what will be the title of your specialized profile? You can choose crypto content writer, or if you want to offer a separate service, say forex content writing, financial analysis, you can just type that in here and then choose save and continue. And then once you've done that, you can write your bio for the new specialized profile. Okay, so you can either use the bio for your regular profile or write a completely new one. Okay, so right now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just use this one. But if you want to write a new one, then that's up to you. Then you click on save and continue. And if you want to learn how to write a good bio, definitely check out our video on that. And then okay, so review your profile before publishing. So you just click on review specialized profile, and then yeah, right here we have our draft. This is our profile. You can change the hourly rates right here. This is currently set to $10, but you can change that to 5 or 15 or 20, you know, and then you can change, you can add your work history, you can add your portfolio. We have tutorials on how to add all of these to your profile. We have tutorials on how to add all of these, so you can definitely add them to your specialized profile. This right here is your specialized profile. Right here it says draft other content writing. So your main profile would say all work. Okay, so this is your main profile, but right here is your specialized profile. So once you're done checking this, just click on publish. As you can see right here, it says congrats, your other content writing specialized profile is now live and can be seen in search results. That's the good thing about having a specialized profile, because it can show up in search results. Okay, that's just the way your regular profile shows up. Your specialized profile can also show up in search results and help you get jobs. Okay, also, when you're applying to jobs on Upwork, you can decide to apply using your specialized profile instead of your main profile. So it's a really good way to, get more skin in the game, develop a brand new specialty on Upwork, and get more money and more clients. So if you've learned how to create a specialized profile on Upwork, kindly give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in